Hello everyone, today let's learn how to make group chat on Snapchat. To get started, open up the Snapchat mobile application and then tap on chat icon over here. Next step, you just tap on create a new chat on this little blue icon. Then you should tap on new group. Then tap on new group name over here and create a name of your group. Alright, next step, you just add your friend to your chat. You can tap on to and write name of your friend. Then tap on add this person to your chat. Then add another friends to your chat. Alright, when you added your all friends to your chat, just tap on chat with group. And here we are. You just created a new chat group with your friends and you can speak with them.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.